Freedom. Freedom is priceless. Freedom is prerequisite for equality, prosperity, creativity, innovation, and progress. Freedom is responsibility entrusted to us 72 years ago. Freedom is the supreme power vested on us not to rejoice or cherish but to act. We bearers of this freedom have no right to exploit or refrain ourselves from our duties.
This nation was built by great visionaries. Our constitution was written with flexibility which offers us freedom to bring change to protect ourselves. Captains and soldiers that we are, we shall strive to take our nation in the path of progress, bringing great hope to the mankind that this world has larger love, dignity, compassion and above all, peace.
दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे है वतन तेरे लिए. Happy Republic Day. Proud to be an Indian.
On the eve of the 72nd Republic Day, I would extend a warm welcome to all the members of the sports school. 7 decades ago, on this special day, our constitution was met. We, the people, are the prime movers of this republic. Education has always been considered more powerful than power. We are considered as the temples of learning. There has been a remarkable trajectory in the field of education. Education carves the path of empowerment. On this special day, let us take a pledge to uphold the integrity of our country. Let us achieve at national and international level to make our country proud. Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Balchandran. I wish all the students, players, teachers, non-teaching staff of the sports school a happy 72nd Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day to all. God bless you.
Guys, I just want to wish you all a happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day to one and all. Have a lovely year.
Hi, wishing everyone a happy Republic Day. Enjoy.
Republic Day, boys.
I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.
I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.
नमस्कार, आप सभी को 72वीं गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 72ನೇ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 72ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day to everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day.
I wish you a very happy Republic Day to all.
Happy Republic Day to all.
Happy Republic Day
to everybody. Happy Republic Day.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 1950 ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದಂಥ ದಿನ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರೇರಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಸವವಾಗಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Good luck. Thanks. Happy Republic Day.
Guys, I wish you a happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Republic Day. ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Republic Day. I think Indian sports are developing at a rapid speed. Back in time, only a countful number of sports were given a priority. But nowadays, I think all the sports are given a priority. And I hope we can expect more of gold and silvers in the future.
Happy Republic Day. As we all know, India is a developing country. I think in the next few years, India is going to see a massive growth in the economic development.
Happy Republic Day to everyone out there. India is diverse and united. And we are proud to be an Indian.
Happy Republic Day! Proud to be an Indian!